Hello everyone, I'm here today to talk to you about Cumulon Protocol, a Diffie protocol based on parachain staking liquidity. Let's start with the name first. Cumulon, short for cumulonimbus, is a dense, towering vertical cloud forming from water vapor. It comes in different shapes under different weather conditions. The reason we name our product Cumulon is that the product is just like cumulonimbus. Cumulon Protocol is a fundamental Diffie protocol in the Polkadot ecosystem that different products can be built on. Unlike the usual cases, Cumulon Protocol will release the delegator's liquidity, which is normally staked on each parachain of Polkadot to guarantee the security of the parachain and the principle of decentralization. As you may know that the parachain auction has been going on for more than a year. Various project parties have also enabled the staking function on the parachain so that more collators and delegators can participate in governance. We have summarized 3 current deficiencies and hope to solve these problems through Cumulon Protocol to better serve the ecosystem. First, there is currently no tool to manage the staked assets of users on each parachain. If users want to know their staking status on each parachain, there is no unified entrance. Ordinary users lack the relevant professional knowledge due to the modification of the staking palette by different project parties, which makes them unable to participate in the staking process. Second, the official tool Polkadot.js is very user-unfriendly regarding staking and unstaking. Third, the assets staked by users to the parachain are in a dormant state, which means their liquidity has not been well utilized. To address these issues, we built Cumulon Protocol, a managed and structured fund protocol based on Polkadot for various parachain staking assets. Cumulon Protocol consists of 2 parts. The first part is a one-stop management tool for staking assets. We have already developed this part. At present, users can stake and unstake parachain assets through Cumulon's friendly UI with their Polkadot accounts to access a variety of information, including the leaderboard of the collator and delegate, annual percentage rate of each collator, the self-staking information, round information, and so on. The second part is a structured fund based on parachain assets that we design. Every time a user stakes the corresponding parachain assets through the Cumulon parachain, a new token will be minted. The token can be exchanged for the corresponding Cumulon token at a ratio of 1:1. Cumulon token is a parent fund, which can be split into 2 subfunds. One subfund pursues stable returns, and the other subfund provides high-risk leveraged returns. It can be seen that Cumulon Protocol not only provides a one-stop asset management solution for the Polkadot ecosystem, but also creatively releases staking assets and utilizes them in a structured fund. Now let's get down to the details about how the structure fund works. The whole structure fund is constituted of 3 tokens. The main fund token, namely Cumulon token, and 2 subfund tokens, Stratus and Cirrus. What is token Cumulon? Token Cumulon is the token for the main tranche or main fund, as the old-school financial industry might call it. Each token Cumulon represents 1 share of the main fund. The main fund is an asset tracking index fund. Cumulon net asset value tracks the underlying asset's price on a fully correlated basis. In the next 6 months, Cumulon Protocol will implement the first fund, the GLMR fund. Rather than holding the underlying assets passively, investors can now swap GLMR for token Cumulon via a creation process at a 1:1 ratio. In doing so, they will have the same underlying asset exposure. What is token Stratus? You can think of token Stratus as a stable coin yielding product. Token Stratus holders collect interest at a specific interest rate that changes every week. The protocol reads the premium determined by governance voting and adds the premium to the 7-day average stable coin interest rate from Moonwell every day, which the protocol collects and updates every week. The total becomes Stratus's interest rate. What is token Cirrus? Cirrus is the other half of the split main tranche. It is a leveraged product with no forced liquidation. Token Cirrus holder borrows daily from the token Stratus holder to buy the main fund that tracks the underlying assets. Token Cirrus holder receives all gains and losses of the main fund. For example, token Cirrus's return equals the profits and losses of the main fund, the interest paid to token Stratus. Tranche Cirrus realizes a leveraged portfolio by borrowing equity from Tranche Stratus. Unlike the current leveraged products on the market, Tranche Cirrus does not run the risk of forced liquidation because it is borrowing from within the main tranche. Cumulon Protocol enables the community to stake and unstake the liquidity on one website for different parachains. The community can view the top collator, delegator, annual percentage rate, historical data, and other relevant data across different parachains. Besides, you may also stake through Cumulon Protocol and participate in the structured fund to maximize asset utilization. In the past month, the team has successfully delivered the management tool as mentioned previously. Now the management tool supports LightnTree, Moonbeam, Moonriver, Bifrost, Oak Network, and Calamari Network. Of course, we are onboarding more parachains soon. New community members can visit www.cumulon.cloud to try our brilliant product. In the next year, we will continue to develop Cumulon Protocol while raising funds and making the parachain auction. Hopefully, we can onboard the first structure fund for GLMR before the year 2024 based on Cumulon Protocol. Above is a brief introduction to Cumulon Protocol. Hope you enjoy our product and see you next time.